Welcome back to the channel, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm not going to be doing too much restoration work on the Metro. I'm going to be showing you a new TIG welder that I bought, and I'm going to be attempting to weld up two holes, the old number plate holes on the Metro. I've been and bought myself a bottle of gas today. I've had the welder for a couple of weeks but I never got any gas. Managed to break the regulator dials already, so I'm going to have to order some new ones of them. But I'm going to show you basically how I got on the very first attempt at TIG welding. It's an AC/DC TIG welder, so I'm hoping to learn to weld aluminium as well at some stage. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. Each one of you is appreciated. Thanks very much, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Holes, because I just think that if I leave them, it's just going to get worse. So what I'll do is I'll glue the screw caps onto the number plate, and I'll just sticky tape the number plate on. Now I'm going to do it with TIG welder that I bought myself. I've had a little practice. So I've practiced and I've managed to weld on a Stanley knife blade really badly onto a piece of metal. And the holes are just where I was trying to set myself up. Never ever used a TIG welder before today, and that's about 5 minutes worth of practicing and half a little 12-inch rod. So I'm going to set you up on the tripod and we'll attempt to weld up them two holes with the TIG and see how we get on. There we go. So wish me luck. As you can see on the video, I did get the rod stuck a couple of times while I was just trying to find my feet with it. So because I was filling a hole rather than going across just a flat panel, which is what I was doing when I was trying to practice it, I struggled a bit finding how the setting was. But I managed to get there in the end, and I managed to figure out that using just the actual electrode itself and hitting the hole and the little bead of weld that I put on there, it did spread out as I wanted it to, and managed to find a half decent weld. Well, the hole's definitely covered. I'll grind it, I'll do the other hole, grind it back, and we'll have a look what we're left with. It might need a little bit of filling. Unfortunately, I broke my gas regulator, so I'm not entirely sure on the gas that's running through. But to be perfectly honest, I don't know what to set it at anyway. It's just trial and error for now until I start getting used to it. I just really fancied a TIG welder. Just run out of length. something I noticed as soon as I started using this new rod is how differently it welded. It just seemed like a totally different weld. I don't know if I got the other one dirty or something had happened, but it welded so much nicer at the first start. That side definitely worked better, and this one looked the worst as well. Let's flat wheel it off and see what we're left with. Tiny little indentation on this bit, so I definitely think it's worth touching that in. You can see this is definitely not a how-to video, but I'm hoping that by doing this, showing that I'm happy to put my first attempt on camera, someone might be able to jump out and help. With a little bit of advice. One thing I have noticed is there's a complete different amount of control to the weld. So putting the heat in, every way of putting the rod in is a lot different and a lot, I suppose, easier if I knew how to work all the dials on the welder. I have just gone for it's a Rally Design black line welder, and it's basically it's the cheapest one that's around at the moment on eBay. I think it was £460 or £470 delivered. Does AC and DC, so I'm hoping to teach myself how to weld alley as well with it. That was the main aim for it. Well, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Tell me what I could have done differently. If someone can give me an idea as to what all the different buttons are, I'll show you the front of the welder in a second. You can give me an idea as to what I do with each one, because the instruction booklet that came with it is as if you know how to TIG weld already, and I don't, unfortunately. I did also have to have a different line fix. It's a 250 amp. I had to have a 250 amp socket put in as well, and it's on a 250 amp extension lead, so that reaches anywhere within my garage. Happy with it, just have to wait and see how I get on. Don't forget to see the rest of the rebuild on the Metro. Subscribe to the channel, do appreciate it. Thanks very much.